Hey everyone, are you craving something warm, creamy, and oh so comforting? Today, we're making a vegan version of the classic broccoli cheddar soup that's so rich and cheesy you won't believe there's no dairy in it. But here's the twist. This soup isn't just delicious, it's packed with hidden health benefits. Stay to the end because I've got a secret ingredient that'll take this soup to the next level. Let's get started. Before we dive in, let's take a quick look at everything you'll need to make this soup. Trust me, it's simple and totally worth it. 1/4 cup Smart Balance, our butter alternative. 1/2 onion, chopped. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 2 cups of almond or soy milk. 2 cups of vegetable broth. 2.5 cups of shredded dairy-free sharp cheddar cheese. I'm using Follow Your Heart, but feel free to use your favorite. Daiya or Violife are also good options. 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast flakes. 1.5 cups broccoli florets, coarsely chopped. 1 cup matchstick-cut carrots. 1 stalk of celery, thinly sliced. Salt and pepper to taste. Did you know broccoli is a secret health superhero? It's packed with fiber, potassium, and antioxidants that help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, and decrease your risk of heart disease. On top of that, its high fiber content feeds your gut bacteria. So basically, it's your gut's BFF. And let's not forget nutritional yeast. Just 1 tablespoon equals 2 grams of protein and all 9 essential amino acids. It's like the vegan protein ninja of this recipe. All right, let's get cooking. First, we're starting with sauteing. Melting 1/4 cup of Smart Balance in a skillet over medium-high heat and toss in your chopped onion. Stir it around for about 5 minutes until it's translucent and tender. The secret here, this step builds the flavor base for your soup. Now, grab a large saucepan. Over medium-low heat, whisk together 1/4 cup melted Smart Balance and 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. Keep whisking like your life depends on it. You don't want any lumps. If it feels too thick, add a splash of almond or soy milk to keep things smooth. This is the magic that's going to make your soup thick and creamy. Stir in 2 cups of vegetable broth. Bring it all to a simmer. And don't worry, the cheesy goodness is coming up next. Now, for the moment we've all been waiting for, cheese time. Stir in 2.5 cups of shredded dairy-free cheddar cheese and 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. This is where the magic happens. Watch as it melts into a creamy, velvety base. Seriously, you'll want to dive right in. Once your cheesy base is ready, add 1 cup of matchstick-cut carrots, 1 stalk of thinly sliced celery, and those sauteed onions. Add 1.5 cups of chopped broccoli florets. Let it all simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until the veggies are tender and the flavors have come together. Your kitchen will smell amazing. Are you ready for the secret ingredient that takes the soup to the next level? Drum roll, please. It's a splash of apple cider vinegar. Just 1 teaspoon added at the end brightens up all the flavors and gives the soup that little zing you didn't know you needed. Trust me, it's a game changer. You have the broccoli that has fiber that is good for your gut, health, and nutritional yeast flakes that have all 9 essential amino acids. And it's a great source of protein. So, what are you waiting for? Make this soup. And there you have it, creamy, cheesy, and totally irresistible vegan broccoli cheddar soup. Whether you're serving this for dinner, meal prepping for the week, or just treating yourself, this soup will warm you from the inside out. Before you go, let's recap the nutritional benefits packed in this bowl of goodness. Broccoli is loaded with fiber, potassium, and antioxidants that help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, and promote heart health. Nutritional yeast isn't just cheesy and delicious, it's also a complete protein, giving you all 9 essential amino acids and a boost of plant-based protein. And the carrots bring in a ton of vitamin A for healthy eyes and skin. So, not only is this soup comforting, it's also a powerhouse for your health. Here at Come Back Vegan, we want you to have all the knowledge, all the recipes, and all the tips you need to be successful on your journey to a healthier you. Here's to your success. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what recipe you'd love to see next. See you next time.